What's up guys, this is Masi and here we have another video for you, and in this video I want to show you how to do integration of sine to the power of 3x dx. So before I start, don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find many other different videos regarding integration and other topics in math. So here we have sine to the power of 3, so I can write it as sine squared x times sine x dx. And then instead of sine squared, I can write 1 minus cosine squared x. And here I have sine x times dx, that remain the same. And then I will have variable change. So instead of cosine x, I will define u. So du will be negative sine x dx. So du will be negative sine x dx. So sine x dx will be negative du. So if I come here, it will be 1 minus cosine squared will be u squared. Sine x du will be, dx will be negative du. So it will be negative 1 minus u squared du. And then we can separate it. We can have 1 du plus, minus u squared du as well. So it will be negative u, and negative will be positive. So it will be positive. U squared will be u to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus a constant number. So u is cosine x, so it will be negative cosine x plus cosine to the power of 3x divided by 3 plus a cosine value. So that will be the final answer for this question for sine cube x dx. If you have any question, please leave me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to watch other videos.